Hey, my YouTube beauties, it's your girl, Lady Yard. Nope, not with a mukbang. I am at dialysis, y'all. Yes, I did my hair. I'm on the machine. See, this is the what you call it thing? The transfer blood. See, and that's the catheter. And this is the machine.
What is Anthony taking for?
This is the machine that I'm on.
Bar or Anthony Hartic?
See. Oh, right there. So, yes, your girl is on dialysis. But I'm just doing a little something for y'all so y'all can see me and know that I'm on dialysis. That's the catheter where they take what's the word I'm looking for? The fluid drains out of me. So, yeah. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what your girl Lady R is doing in this channel. I want to see my counts go up, y'all. Y'all got to get me to at least 100 more subscribers. So let's go. Subscribe. Spam up my comments. Ask me anything. Ask me questions and stuff. So I'm waiting on my Benadryl because y'all know once I get my Benadryl, I'll be knocked out. But I hope everybody having a beautiful, blessed day. Later. Not a mukbang. This is talking about dialysis. Bye, y'all.